What is up everybody, Gistic here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to update Google Chrome in Windows. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is a very easy thing to do. It doesn't take very long, that's why this tutorial is short. First thing you need to do is open up your Google Chrome. Now go across to that triple dot icon in the top right corner. Left click on that. Then go down to where it says help. And then it will bring up these three options. You want to click on About Google Chrome. And then it should automatically start updating. Mine is already up to date, but if it doesn't automatically start updating, there will be an update now button like right here. Just go ahead and click on that and it will force the update to go through, but it should automatically do it when you load this screen up. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I know it's very short, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do this. People have been asking for me to make a video on this, so if this did help you, hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And comment down below any other problems you're having with Google Chrome or any other tutorials you want me to make. That is it from me, everybody. Have a wonderful day and peace out.